So here's something new. The girls just, I'm not the one that goes camping. Okay, so basically tomorrow I am going on a camp. It's my first time ever camping in the woods in a tent. I always like camp in like chalets and stuff. I don't do the woods, guys. Anyway, so it is gonna be the first time and I decided why not vlog it. So hopefully it's gonna be fun. Hopefully I don't get cold like the weather is doing the most, like it's getting cloudy and stuff. I just actually finished packing just now, so yeah, I'm really excited about tomorrow. So catch you guys tomorrow. Oh, I forgot to say we were going camping. It's in Hazy View somewhere in the mountains. Oh, but yeah, let's go have fun and make new friends and stuff. So yeah.
We will not be moved when the earth gives way. For the reason one is overcome. Let's sing together, church. And for every fear, there's an empty grave. For the reason one is overcome. We will not be moved when the earth gives way.
Yes, as you, my name is Kanyisile Jenna, and so
And this is my channel.
and this is my have you watched that movie? Okay, so basically we just woke up and we showered and ate breakfast and stuff, and now we're gonna go hiking in Sabi, and yeah, going back home today as well. So yeah, I think I'm excited about the hike. Like, I'm excited to see the nature and stuff, but I don't know. Hopefully I don't fall. Like, my ankle's already giving me problems this morning because it's cold.
Like, people won't understand this. Our parents are going to be like, why would you pay?
Oh my gosh, guys!
Places where we trying to get away from.
Okay, so basically we're finally at the end. We're going back now, and I am tired and I'm about to fall, and my shoes look so bad, and I don't even know how I'm gonna get these clean again. And obviously I'm at the back because I decided to pick up rocks. Actually, that's all. How was the hike, Nigel? How was your hike?
Anyway, what was I saying?
Kate, how was the hike for you?
It was horrifying.
We won't talk about that part. That one.
That one part, part was scarring, traumatic.
It's not, that one isn't even on video because there was nothing cute about what was going on.
There was no, but we made it.
We don't made it. So basically we got back yesterday and that was going to be the end of my vlog. But then after going on the hike, my leg was just really sore, so then I decided to go to the doctor for it earlier on today. And turns out I dislocated my ankle like a while ago, and there's just so much going on that's wrong with my leg. So now I have got all these things on my leg. I will put a picture, but like I'm not okay. But overall it was really fun. I enjoyed the camp and I'm really glad I made new friends. Shout out to Monique and Tuli and Kate. But yeah, it was really fun. I had a great time. And as always, please let me know if you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and spread love, happiness, and kindness.